This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
HDMI receiver and transmitter. So what's great about this is you plug it into your HDMI port on your computer or laptop, and then you plug the other one into, so this is the T for transmitter and this is the R for receiver, and then you plug your other one into your TV or monitor, and you can send the signal from each other, so then you don't actually have to have all those cables, all those wires bugging you. It's pretty cool, guys. Hello, today we're taking a look at this. Okay guys, so we added the receiver onto this monitor here. We have it connected to our computer over here. Now we have these monitors are wired up. This one's wired up. We have another monitor that's wired up, and we have another monitor that's wired up. While this one we did as a test with the receiver, I think we're gonna probably do the others so they're not wired, but yeah, works great. It did take me a little bit to get it figured out. I went under my Windows settings and changed some stuff up, but overall, works good.